It isn't so that if you see her for the first time, you give credit at most like for another big, ugly electric dinosaur. But if you sit and watch it a bit longer, you kinda start to like it. At least she got us in its spell. We said watch it. Funny, as the overall impression somehow in the background about this model is that you think at it like at a Swiss watch. And this background feeling is starting to capture you. And not only because it is a Swiss locomotive. Whenever it comes to a Swiss electric one, we often know that it can only be about admiration. Swiss models are beautiful even when they look raw. This locomotive has a famous little sister with 2 bogies and 4 axes, but we found the bigger one more attractive to proudly be presented to you with all the 3 bogies, where the middle one is a real delight with its movement on the run, but nevertheless with Trix' decision to capture the power track also through it. This kind of implication makes always the difference a big one in terms of care dedicated to a produced model. Please bear in mind that on a previous video, just that we have added our critic to a Trix issue exactly in regarding for the model VT92. Speaking about model qualities, the interior of the command post is a bit shabby, with more of a suggestive set of details than a representation, but that doesn't bother too much. The model offers a metallic body, good factory sound, while we all know that the audio system delivered by Trix are not in the top quality offered on the profile, and the satisfactory quality of the applied paint, and we say this especially for the way the red color finishes at the base of the model. The most significant attraction of this model is the full feeling of realism. Very few models in H0 have left such a real impression on us running or standing on the diorama, creating confusion if this is the real thing or just the scale representation. Almost everything seems realistic at this model. The famous rectangular headlights that benefit from a striking real lighting, where in complete darkness the effect of the difference between low beam and high beam wonderfully completes the realistic manufacture of this model. The long beam effect gives you the exact feeling experienced by the mechanic on the dark night run. In this sense, we invite you to watch the demonstration of light functions where the atmosphere left by the lamps, by rendering them in plastic, is as authentic as possible and in the same time successful. Beside this achievement, we are adding that we have admired many engine room light setups, but none of them offered such a realistic aspect and feeling as this Trix 22883. We said at the beginning about the Swiss watch sensation. Well, once more it appeared when we have seen the magnifier function of the lateral glasses at each end of the Loco. Enjoy the ride, please.